Be lady boss and our style is ridiculous. We be lady boss and I'm making man fucking delirious. I'm serious, and that's what makes all of us bosses mysterious. Let me tell you how to be one fly lady that be bossy and have confidence what you do. Be real and keep it saucy. In the sheets, give all your mighty fine treats. Fuck a bitch up if she don't know no better. Keep it real and keep it G. Keep your mind up on your cheddar. See, this is the mind of a true lady bossy. Not giving a fuck only about yourself. Always live with caution. Cause a wise mind always wins in this life of chess. You either win or you lose. There is only one that is left. So remain true to only you and the people who deserve it. Real only comes around once in a while. We gotta conserve it. So keep doing what you do. Keep that throne. We deserve it. We be bossing up cause most just don't give a fuck. I do this for me cause I stay true. I deserve it at all costs. I earned the name, I've earned that title, and bitch, that is boss. If you keep your mind up on your money and your nigga is pleased, don't worry about a bitch coming in that's only good for 1D. And if you catch a bitch slipping up on her knees, make that bitch freeze, make her plead, tell her to stay up out your life. We be bossing just like the fucking mob wives.